What's going on, everyone? So tonight we're just going to have the steak and egg burger made with a Scotch fillet steak that was kind of had to go either in the bin or in my mouth. So it was out of date, so I thought let's cook it up, and this is where we are. So, and then these scoop fries that you get from Woolies are always pale. So just a heads up, they always look like this. It's just kind of the way they're designed. I don't know what it is, but they generally do. They do slap. Anyway, I hope everyone's had a good day so far. Well, the day's kind of nearly over. Pretty good for me. Yeah. So I've got the after 12 o'clock drink, non-sponsored, whatever you want to call it. It's basically the favourite out of all. Quick story. My mother used to drink it, but she drank the diet one. No one ever really fucking cared about it either, except my brother, so he'd be the only one that stole it. But yeah, I don't like the diet one. So I put the two together and think, oh, is it like a heavens above type thing? And my guess realistically is no, because she drank the diet one. So that's all. So it does play on my mind though. That wasn't very interesting, but I just thought I'd share it. So most people have the tartar sauce with like fish, but I went with like egg and steak because I just don't have any aioli. And you see how I flatten the cheese down because I'm out of butter almost as well. So I flatten the cheese down. That spreads the mayo. Do you get my madness with that? So you get a natural hard kind of slice of cheese and you flatten it down like that. This is just so much protein, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. And then the tartar, cheese, and when you get like a mad slice of steak like this, yeah, this is the sort of sandwich that, you know, you would pay $36 for this. Which is pretty insane. There's a lot of $12 and $14 meat pies in Australia. In Australia. Yeah, I'm yet to try one. Scotch fillet. Yeah, and these dampers from the Arch Enemy, Tip Top, I mean, they're pretty good. Yeah, once upon a time, Tip Top sent a guy around to our bakery and said, "I got to take all your red crates." But the catch is the guy was a military worker, and as a side hustle, he done deliveries for Buttercup and Tip Top when he wasn't working in the military. And so he worked for both companies, and he put both the brown crates and the red crates in his truck. So I knew him from the past. I used to know him from the gym that I used to go to, and you know, his name was like Adrian, and he goes, "You know what? Yeah, they've sent me to come and get all the red crates, and because I work for both companies when I'm not working in the military job, I'll just replace all your red crates with brown ones. It's all good." So he took like the 40 red crates and just put brown ones back. How good? What a good cunt. Yeah. I've met a lot of nice people in my career, driving around. And sometimes when you know people from the past, like from when you were a kid or whatever, or wherever it is, it just feels good, It's rewarding. Some people are rewarding to talk to. Some people are just a handful, and they don't mean to be, Like a lot of guys, that I bump into from time to time, I just go, "Oh fuck, not you again." And I have a tendency to like make people laugh in person when I say that to people. I think when I go, "Oh fuck, not you again," I think they know that it's just the heat of the moment thing, and they just laugh it off anyway. That's just how I am. Especially at work, you know what I mean? It's just like, dude, like you're just fucking with me, right? You're holding me up, firstly, by like wanting me to slice your fucking multiple loaves of bread and all that, and then you just want to talk about fucking day-to-day shit at the same time. It's just like, don't push your luck, mate. You know what I mean? Anyway, hope you all have a good Thursday night. This will be it for me. It's like 6:40. I was going to muck around with the printer a bit, do a few things there and show you that as well, but I might just leave it till tomorrow. Anyway, this is a 10 out of 10. Because it's the appetite's there. I hadn't eaten since this morning, and then done all that bullshit with the chainsaw. So it's been a good day anyway, and I'm going to try and get this content sort of done before I actually fall asleep. So bye for now.